Hey guys, this is Tarek. Welcome back to another video, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to mirror your Android device to Android TV like this. So if you're new in my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for my latest update. If you did already, thank you so much. So let's get started. So this time I'm using this TV box TX3 mini. I already make a video. You can check via clicking icon. This is Android box to make this monitor as a Android TV. So I'm going to cast my mobile to this TV. This time I'm showing two method. First method is by default. Just swipe down for notification panel, and here is the screencast by default. If you don't have, you need to download mirrorcast apps, but I'm going to show you a default mode first, then I will show second method. Just tap on screencast, then as you can see it's searching for your TV. As you can see it find out, then select the TV and confirm to start now, and as you can see it will mirroring this here TV. So you need to confirm that TV and mobile connected to the same Wi-Fi. So as you can see everything mirroring on TV. I play YouTube video. So as you can see play on my TV, it will mirror on this TV. Now I play a game which is called PES 21. So it is very smoothly flying on this TV. You can play any games on big screen. So as you can see game start, and it's mirroring very smoothly. I'm not playing full games, I just show you demo. So as you can see this games smoothly playing on TV. You can use any of functions from here, or you can browse internet, everything mirroring smoothly on this TV. So if you don't have a default mode as casting options, so I'll show you second method. So I disconnect first, then as you can see you have to download a third-party apps called Castro. I already download it. So go to Play Store and searching for Castro, then as you can see I already downloaded it. So just open. After opening it shows some ad because it is free. Then just tap on select TV, and here's the cast options. So this casting to find out TV, so just select your TV, and this is mine, and start now. And as you can see it is starting mirroring pretty much same. So pretty much that's it. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on next video.